It's salt up there on the hill. It's coming to a road near you very soon. You can anticipate that ahead of the snow that we're anticipating this weekend. Some crews say that they're going to be out salting roads and treating as soon as tomorrow. Do you like it?
No, don't like it at all.
But like it or not, Janice Cottrell says she's ready for snowflakes to come piling down this weekend.
I have gotten the toilet paper, the paper towels, the dog food, and food that I really don't need, but I got that too.
A neighbor of mine named Asa, he informed me that there was going to be a major snowstorm coming this weekend. I said, let me get some salt and some additional items that I may need to cover down the house.
We need a little bit of salt for a little bit of ice we're going to be getting. And at least in his lifetime, we've not had ice to the point where I needed to actually possibly chip it.
Baltimore City Department of Public Works says they're ready with fully staffed crews and are encouraging you to remember your pipes during these cold temps. Some of their tips include letting your faucets drip, opening cabinet doors to let warm air reach your pipes, disconnecting outdoor hoses, and keeping bottled water on deck in the event of a service disruption. Baltimore County DPW also echoing preparedness and encouraging patience.
Make sure that you're patient. Again, a snowstorm like this where we could get more than 6 inches could be a 48-hour plowing operation. So it could be Monday into Tuesday before the roads are cleared.
Spokesperson Ron Snyder says their nearly 500 crew members will begin salting the more than 2,700 miles of road in the county on Thursday and Friday.
We know that a lot can happen with Baltimore weather. We could get 3 inches, we could get 17 inches, but regardless, we're going to be prepared.
Salt for me and for the dog, yes. So we're ready. We are ready.
She's ready. Her and the doggy are ready to go. And we know that the county and the city always asks, the rule of thumb, to have your cars off of the roadways so that they can plow easier. We know that they usually start with the main roads and then work their way into the neighborhood roads. So good rule of thumb there ahead of this anticipated snow. For now, I'm live. Tori Yorgi, WBAL TV 11 News.
All right, Tori, and to stay on top of the latest forecast, get weather alerts for the severe cold and find tips to keep your home warm. It's all in the WBAL TV 11 News app.